Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experience in the construction industry, presenting a small presentation of the Real Estate Regulation Authority. It is a civil conclave presentation. Contents: RERA overview, that is a Real Estate Act. Promoter, increase responsibility and compliances. Liquidity and cash flow planning. Registration, project registration with RERA. Sales and marketing, increase project launch time. Imperatives, resulting process transformation. Way forward. And over. Fundamentals: RERA, fiscal discipline, precision, responsibility, customer centric, compliances, uniform regulatory environment, commercial and residential project including plotted development, land under development more than 500 square meter and number of unit exceed 8, projects which do not have a completion certificate before commencement of act, renovation or repair or development projects not involving marketing, advertising and selling, and new allotment need not to be registered. 70% of the amount realized to the deposited in a separate bank account to be utilized only to cover the cost construction of the land. RERA changes: promoter, increase responsibilities and compliances. Liquidity, cash flow planning. Registration, project registration with RERA. Sales and marketing, increase in project launch time. Operational transformation, project management, design, sales and marketing, other compliances and way forward. Promoter responsibility and compliances. A person who construct the building for the purpose of selling, a person who develops land into project for the purpose of selling, any development authority or any other public body, an apex state level cooperative housing finance society and a primary cooperative housing society who acts himself as a builder, contractor, developer, or claims to be as act as a holder of power of attorney from the owner land. Such other person who construct any building or apartment for sale to the public, this is called as a promoter. Promoter's responsibility: project registration, advertisement, withdrawal, POC method, website updation, disclosures, carpet area, alteration in project, approval of 2 to 3 allottees, projects accounts of. Liability of a promoter: if title land is defective, fails to complete or unable to give possession, any false information to allottee in relation to sanction plan or in adherence to the sanction plan, if promoter does not provide the information of sanction plan, stage-wise schedule of completion of the project, in case project is assigned to a third party without a prior concept, if promoter fails to refund the amount within 6 months from the termination of the sale, these are all the liabilities of the promoter. Penalties: if any promoter contravenes the provisions of the registration, liable to penalty up to 10% of the estimated cost of the project as determined by the authority. If any promoter does not comply with the orders, decisions or direction issued or violate the provisions of registration, punishable with the imprisonment up to 3 years or with a fine up to 10% of the estimated cost of the project or with the both. If any promoter provides false information or contravenes the provision of registration of real estate projects, penalty up to 5% of the estimated cost of the project. If any promoter contravenes any other provisions of the Real Estate Act, penalty up to 5% of the estimated cost of the project as determined by the authority. Maharashtra RERA rules. Fine payable for compounding offences. Offence under subsection 2 of section 59, where promoters fails comply with the orders, decisions regarding registration of the real estate project. Money to be paid 5% of the estimated cost of the real estate project, which may extend up to 10%. Offence under section 64, where promoter fails to comply with orders, directions of RERA, 5% of the estimated cost of the real estate project, which may be extended up to 10%. Offence under section 66, where real estate agent fails to comply with orders, directions of the REIT, 5% of the estimated cost of the plot, apartment or a building of the real estate project for which the sale or purchase has been facilitated, which may extend it up to 10%. Offence under section 66, where real estate agent fails to comply with orders, direction of the RERA, 5% of the establishment cost of the plot, apartment or building of the real estate project for which the sale of purchase has been facilitated, which may extend up to 10%. Offence under section 68, where allotee fails to comply with the orders, direction by the REIT, 5% of the estimated cost of the plot, apartment or building, which may extend up to 10%. Who is the promoter? Open issue. PA investor, the funding. Funding goes to the developer, JV company, SPV and a landowner. Promoter. What if the contractor is appointed post the registration with the RERA? Is the subcontractor default right to be borne by the person delegating the work? What is the SPV? Is the promoter and delegation is done by the developer. In case of a JV, whether either of the landowner, developer or the investor would be treated as a promoter. There is a requirement that the promoter to undertake that it has a legal title of the land. Thus can only be the landowning of SPV becomes a promoter. Can PE investor can be treated as a promoter for the purpose of the RERA? This is a question for which the answers has been given. Planning. Monetary consideration. Condition imposed on consideration for real estate project. 70% of the amount realized from the allottees shall be deposited in a separate account to be maintained by in a scheduled bank. Utilization only to cover the cost of construction and the land cost. Withdrawal only after certification from an engineer, architect and a chartered accountant. In practice, certifying the withdrawal is proportionate to the percentage of the completion of the project. Accounts of promoter needs to be audited within 6 months of the financial year end. Maximum advance application fees that can be received by the promoter prior to execution return agreement for sale is 10% of the cost of the agreement. Determining project fees. Ongoing projects. Residential plus clubhouses, residential plus commercial plus retail plus clubhouses, large project, township, residential, commercial and hospitals, schools. As per notified Maharashtra rules, phase of a real estate project may consist of a building or a wing of the building in case of the building with a multiple wings or defined number of floors in a multi-storied building. Notified Maharashtra RERA rules. Ongoing projects. For ongoing real estate project in which all buildings, wings as per sanction plan have not received occupation certificate or the completion certificate, as in the case may be, has not been issued, 75% of the amount to be realized from the allottees shall be deposited in a separate account. In the event whereas the estimated receivables of the ongoing project is less than the estimated cost of the completion of the project, then 100% of the amount to be realized from the allotee shall be deposited in the said separate account. Project cost. Funding analysis of ongoing phase. Particulars. Project ABC. Ongoing phase 1 plus new phase 2. OC not received. Details 5 acres. Estimated cost 60 crores. Estimated cost phase 1 30 crores. Phase 1 residential plus clubhouse. Number of floors 2 flats per floor, 22 flats, 44 flats. Total floor completed 10 floors. Number of flats sold 15. Cost of the flat is 1 crore. Total sale consideration received 75% of the 15 crores, 10.5 crores. Expenditure occurred on phase 1 till date 8 crores. Remaining funds left in the project account is 2.5 crores. Fund to be realized 4.5 crores. Since the estimate receivables is less than the estimated of the completion of the project, 100% of amount to be realized to be kept in a separate bank account. Modified Maharashtra RERA rules. Withdrawals of amount promoter deposited in a separate account. The promoter submit following 3 certificates to the bank operating the separate account. First, from the project architect certifying the percentage of the completion of the construction work has been completed. Second, certificate from the engineer for the actual cost incurred. Third, from the CA of the cost incurred on construction cost and the land cost. The CA also certified the proportion of the cost incurred on construction and land cost to the total estimated cost of the project. The total estimated cost of the project multiplied by such a proportion shall determine the maximum amount which can be withdrawn by the promoter from the separate account. The promoter shall be required to follow the aforesaid procedure at the time of every withdrawal from the separate account till occupation certificate in respect of the project is obtained. On respect of the completion certificate, the entire balance amount lying in a separate account can be withdrawn by the promoter. Withdrawal of funds, percentage of completion. Sellable area 5,000 square feet. Estimated project cost 600 lakhs. Cost incurred till the end of reporting period 360 lakhs. Total area still sold 1,000 square feet. Total sale consideration is 200 lakhs. 70% has to be kept in the bank account 140 lakhs. Percentage of the completion is 60% of total cost. Amount can be withdrawn, that is 84 lakhs. Notified Maharashtra Rails. What is included in land cost and construction cost for? Land cost. The cost incurred by the promoter for acquisition of the ownership of the land. Premium payable to obtain development and redevelopment right. Amount paid towards TDR. Premium for grant of FSI, fungible FSI. Consideration payable to the outgoing developer to relinquish ownership and title rights over such a parcels. Amount payable to state government and competent authority towards stamp duty, etc. ASR linked premiums payable by the promoter. Construction cost. All such costs incurred by the promoters towards on the site expenditure, payment of taxes, charges of any competent authority, principal amounts, interest paid, payable to any financial institution. Registration. Ongoing real estate project. Projects completed with a completion certificate issued as on the date of commencement of the Real Estate Act does not require any registration with the RERA. Project completed. However, completion certificate is pending as on the date of commencement of the Real Estate Act will require registration with the RERA within a period of 3 months. All ongoing projects will require registration with the RERA within a period of 3 months. Prior registration of the real estate projects. All real estate projects need to be registered with the RERA before the promoter advertises, market, book, sell offer for sale, or invite persons to purchase in any manner. The area of the land proposed to be developed less than 500 square meter. The number of apartments promoters to be developed less than 8. The promoter has received a completion certificate for a real estate project prior to commencement of the Real Estate Act. The project is only for the purpose of renovation, repair, redevelopment, which does not involve any reallotment and marketing, advertisement, plot, building in the real estate project. Each phase has to be treated as a standalone real estate project during fresh registration. Promoter make an application. RERA grant and registration within 30 days. Registration certificate. Failure to register within 30 days. Deemed registration. No project promotion, advertisement, marketing before registration. Application for registration to disclose details of the enterprises, including the name, registered address, etc. Details of the project launched in the past 5 years, including current status, details of cases pending, if any. Certified true copy of the commencement certificate. Layout plan, whole project and each phase sanctioned by the appropriate authority. Development works plan and proposed facilities. Sample agreements proposed to be signed with the allottees. Number and carpet area of apartment of the project. Names and addresses of the real estate agents, if any, for the proposed project. Names and address of any contractor, architect, structural engineer, any other person connected with the development of the proposed project. Declaration supported by affidavit signed by the developer or any person authorized by the developer, stating that the developer has the legal title of the land, land is free from encumbrances, approximate period for completion of the project. Sales and marketing. Marketing and sale. Advertisement clear and crisp, plus no false information, lead to deliver what is promised. Agreement for sale. Promoter writes to the title to the land for development rights, registration details of the project with the RERA, carpet area of the flat, apartment sold and confirmation by promoter, time schedule for completion of the project, sanction plan, layout and specifications, execution of conveyance deed, handover the portion of land and building to the society, detailed promoter representation on land and construction of the project, cancellation by allottees, compensation by promoter in case of default. Operational transformers. The Real Estate Regulation Development Act 2016. Impact on business model partners, cash flow planning, project development, superior project management, cohesive approach across departments, sales, finance, marketing and contracts, increase in the sales efficiency, design development. Awareness. Identifying key stakeholders, impact analysis, workshops and discussions. Changes and readiness. Conducting health check, changes in the ERP, compliances focus, changes to process, coordinated approach across the function. Monitoring, changes to control environment, MIS and scorecards, performance management. This is a business process framework. Process redesigning for RERA compliances. Project management, effective project scheduling management and project budgets. Enhanced coordination amongst various stakeholders. Contractor management and liability. Change impact analysis. Delivery management compliances. SAP configurations. Design management. Prioritize design management and design brief process. Finalization of FSI. Various structure and space allocations like podium, clubhouses, extra space, etc. Project cash flow planning. Cash flow planning, internal funds, external financing. Detailed MIS on planned versus actual. Monthly transfer of funds from the escrow account, fund transfer, requested form to be approved by the appropriate authority, withdrawal utilization of the funds to be supported by calculation as laid down in RERA and approved by appropriate authority. Sales management, customer relationship management, changes is payable schedule attached to the allotment letter, legal regulatory team to maintain a dashboard on registration status, final registration detail updated in SAP, insurances of demand letter exceeding 10% subject to registration updated, legal and regulatory team to communicate to chargeable rates interest for, marketing and advertisement. Advertisement to be issued only after the confirmation from the legal regulatory team. Advertisement communication to be based on details provided by the project management team. Show flats and advertisements. Broker management. Regulatory authority for registration of the project. Aligning of agreement. Impact analysis. Operational transformation. Certification requirement. Process compliance things. Governing bodies, central government, direction for the implementation, central advisory council, which goes to state government setting up RERA, RERA to the BMC local authorities, from there it comes to the developer and broker. The build-up of the Real Estate Act, bill passed by Rajya Sabha on 10th March 2016, Lok Sabha passed the bill on 15th March 2016. President of India accorded approval on 25th March. 69 sanction of 92 of the Real Estate Act modified from 1st May 2016. Formation of rules by 31 October. Establishment of Real Estate Regulatory Authority and Real Estate Appellable Tribunal by April 2017. Notified section 69 of 92. Sections that provides operative framework under the Real Estate Act notified. Sections in respect to the registration of projects with RERA and having practical implications by developers. Key objective. The main objective, ensuring efficiency and transparency, projecting consumer interest by promoting fair play, encourages timely delivery projects. The Real Estate Act envisages achieving said objects by establishing the Real Estate Authority, registration of the real estate project, registration of real estate agent, ensuring sale of plot, establishment of real appealable tribunal. That is a treat. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly like and subscribe to motivate me for a further good presentation. Thank you once again for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share which will motivate me for a good presentation.